Jane, be ready this evening. I'll take you to the new mall when I return from work.
Really? That sounds wonderful. What time will you come home?
Probably around 6 o'clock. So make sure you're ready before that.
Don't worry. I'll be ready on time. I've wanted to visit that mall for so long.
Wait a minute, David. I intended for Jane to go grocery shopping with me today.
Oh, yes, Mom. I almost forgot about that.
We can do the grocery shopping tomorrow, Mom. Today I promised Jane I would take her to the mall.
That's true. We are not in a hurry anyway.
Thank you, Mom. We can go together tomorrow morning.
All right then. But don't come home too late tonight.
Don't worry, Mom. We'll be back early.
Oh, I'm so excited already.
I can see that. You've been smiling since he mentioned the mall.
That's because shopping always makes Jane happy.
Of course. And maybe I'll buy something nice for myself, too.
Just don't spend too much money.
I'll make sure she doesn't buy the whole mall.
Very funny, David.
All right. Now both of you finish your lunch first.
Yes, Mom. Then I need to leave for work.
And I'll start planning what to wear this evening.
Wow, Jane, look at this place. The new mall is huge.
It looks amazing. I've seen pictures online, but it's even better in real life.
They just opened it last week. Everyone has been talking about it.
I can't understand why.
The lights and decorations look so modern. First, let's check the fashion stores on the second floor.
Good idea. I also want to visit the bookstore later.
Sure, we have the whole afternoon.
I'm excited already. Shopping with you is always fun.
Then today is going to be a great day.
David, what do you think about this blue jacket?
It looks really nice on you. The color suits you perfectly.
Really? I wasn't sure about it.
Trust me, it looks stylish and elegant.
Maybe I should try a different size too.
That's a good idea. Do you want me to ask the salesperson?
Yes, please. Thank you.
Excuse me, do you have this jacket in a smaller size?
Yes, I'll bring it for you.
Thanks, David. You're very helpful.
That's what shopping partners are for. Jane, look at these sneakers. They look comfortable.
Oh, I like them. They would match my jeans perfectly.
Why don't you try them on?
Okay, I hope they fit.
How do they feel?
Very comfortable. I think I might buy them.
You should. They also look fashionable.
What about you? Are you buying anything today?
Maybe a pair of formal shoes for work.
Then let's check the men's section too.
Great idea.
I'm getting tired after all of this shopping.
Me too. Let's take a break at the food court.
That sounds perfect. I can smell pizza from here.
And I want a cold coffee.
There are so many food options here.
This mall really has everything.
Let's sit near the window. The view looks nice.
Good choice. So are you enjoying the mall?
Absolutely. It's one of the best malls I've visited.
I'm glad you like it.
David, Alex's birthday is next week.
Really? Then let's buy him a gift today.
I'm thinking about getting him a watch.
That's a great idea. He loves watches, right?
Yes, he does.
This store has some nice collections.
Oh, this black watch looks elegant.
It does, and it's not too expensive either.
I think he'll love it.
Then you should get it before someone else buys it.
You're right. I'll take it. Finally, the bookstore. I've been waiting for this.
I knew you'd be excited about this place.
Books make me happy.
What kind of books are you looking for today?
Maybe a mystery novel or an English learning book.
That section is over there.
Wow, there are so many choices.
Take your time. I'll look at the magazines.
David, look at this book. It has great reviews.
Then you should buy it.
I think I will. David, this handbag is beautiful, but it's expensive.
Let's compare prices in another store before buying it.
That's smart. Maybe we can find a better deal.
Shopping is not only about buying things, it's also about saving money.
True, you're very careful with money.
I try to be. Look, there's another bag store over there.
Oh, wow, they have similar handbags.
And this one is cheaper.
You just saved me a lot of money.
See? Patience is important while shopping.
David, I want to buy something for Mom.
That's a lovely idea. What do you want to get for her?
I'm not sure yet. Maybe a handbag or a scarf?
Mom likes simple and elegant things. Let's check that store over there.
Oh, wow, these scarves are beautiful.
This light blue one would look nice on her.
You're right. Mom loves soft colors.
Feel the material. It's really soft too.
Yes, and I think she'll use it often.
Do you want to buy only the scarf?
Maybe I should get her something else too.
Look at those handbags on the shelf.
That brown handbag looks elegant and practical.
It matches Mom's style perfectly.
But I can only afford one thing today.
Then choose the one you think will make her happiest.
I think I'll buy the scarf. It feels warm and special.
Good choice. Mom will definitely love it.
I can already imagine her smile when she opens the gift.
She'll be very touched because you bought it with love.
Let's pay for it before I change my mind again.
All right, come on, the counter is this way.
If you enjoyed this conversation, please hit the like button and subscribe to Easy English with HK. Your support means a lot and helps us create more helpful videos for you.